What's up, Peak Timers? It is case unboxing time, and today we have the 2019 Hot Wheels Q case, the last case for 2019. Let's go ahead, open it up, and get a closer look at the cars inside. This video has been brought to you by GranaToys.com. The most asked question I get on Peak Time Racing is, where do I purchase my Hot Wheels cases? And it's at Grana Toys. Grana Toys offers a full line of mainline and premium Hot Wheels, as well as Greenlight, Matchbox, Disney cars, Johnny Lightning, and M2 machines. Check them out at www.granatoys.com, or also check them out on their eBay. There'll be links in the description box below. The treasure hunt for this case is the 1967 Camaro, and the super treasure hunt for this case is the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Let's go ahead and see if we can get one of those in this case. Okay guys, let's go ahead and open it up here. And we'll start it off right at the top right here. We'll pull out the first three, and first one that I see is the brand new Porsche 911 GT3 RS. This is not the Super Treasure Hunt variation of it though, but still, that's the mainline. Looks fantastic. We've got the Dragon tail right there, and we've got a brand new recolor of the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor in the nice blue color. Put those aside there. What else do we have up top for our next row? We've got the 2010 Ford Shelby GT500 Super Snake. Great looking casting. We've got the Dodge Challenger drift car. Got the 426 on the side of it. And we've got the Roger Dodger 2.0. Brand new recolor of that one. And we've got the custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT, the Gulf Livery Edition. We've got the Drifsta, and we've got another one of the Lamborghini Reventon Roadsters that we saw in the previous case. Very nice. And what else do we have up top here? We've got the Olds 442 W30 Tesla Model 3 in the new red color, and 67 Shelby GT500. And after that, we have got the Morris Mini, and this was a super treasure hunt from the previous case. That's just the mainline variation of it though. And we have a brand new casting. We've got the Mod Rod. Very cool looking new fantasy casting. I think it's a fantasy casting. I don't think it's made after anything in real life, but very cool looking. And then we've got the El Viento in a new color variation. All right, what else do we have up top here? We've got the Ford Focus RS, we've got the Exotique, and we have got the Diora 3, which is a little bit different variation of a casting. It's got some different seats and stuff in the front, so it's a little bit different from the previous one that they released, and it's kind of an interesting casting. It's kind of a love it or hate it casting. We'll get the next one. We've got the High Beam, we've got the 67 Shelby GT500, and we've got the Quick Bite Shave Ice it's got on there. So it's a little ice truck. I guess it's kind of like a flavored ice truck. Tesla Model 3 red color kick cart, and another one of the Mod Rods. All right. And we got another High Beam. We've got the T-Rex Troyer and Fast Gassin. And what else do we have down here? We've got custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT, the Golf Livery Edition. The Sandovar, looks like a new color variation of that one, and a new color variation of the Skull Shaker. And next up, we've got the treasure hunt of the 67 Camaro. This is one of the nicest treasure hunts for 2019. Gorgeous looking livery on there, and it's from the Hot Wheels Art Car series. Doesn't that look cool? I love that one. Very, very nice. And below that one, we've got the Roadster and the Piranha Terror. What else do we have for the last of the 36 of the first 36 cars? We've got Exotique. We've got a custom 77 Dodge van, and that's from the Chrome series in the new gold on there. That looks really neat. And we've got the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. All right. Let's go down to the bottom here for the next 36 cars. Let's start it off at the top right up here. We've got the Porsche Panamera, the Police Edition one, the Alpine A110, and the Tomb Up. That's, I think, a new fantasy casting. Haven't seen that one before. Put that one aside. And we pull from the top here. We've got Bogzilla. we've got the Lamborghini Reventon Roadster and the 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback. All right. And we'll pull some more cars. I'm dropping some. Ooh, nice brand new recolor of the Lamborghini Huracan. Check that out. That is a cool recolor. I like that one. And below that, we've got the Dark Knight Batmobile and the Justice League Batmobile. A couple Batmobiles. All right, let's see what else we have down here. 2 Hot Wheels Pursuits. That's interesting. And I guess that was part of the 3 from this one, which was the Bogzilla. What else do we have? We've got Rising Heat. We've got the 64 Chevy Nova wagon and another one of the Porsche Panameras. And what else do we have up here? We've got 2 of the new Track Ripper recolors we saw in the previous case, and we saw a Kit Kart as well. There we go. And what else do we have here? We've got the Z-Rod, and I think that's a new color of the Z-Rod. We got the Classic 55 Nova, that's a recolor as well, and another one of the Diora 3s. All right, getting down to the end here. We've got the Rig Heat, and we've got the 68 Mercury Cougar. And wow, check out the wheels on this one. We've got like white wheels, white colored wheels on this one. I haven't seen those wheels whitened out on that. That's pretty neat. I like that one. That's cool. All right, what else do we have? 65 Mustang 2+2 Fastback. We've got the Dodge Charger. Ooh, look at that, the Hot Wheels racing on there. And we've got the Morris Mini, not a supercharger hunt, but was from the previous case. And ooh, cool. We got 2 of the brand new Aston Martin Vulcans that we first saw in the previous case. And we've got the Olds 442 W30. And we're getting down here. Oh, brand new casting, the Jaguar XESV Project 8. Check that one out. That one looks cool. I like the carbon fiber roof on that one as well. And below that, we've got the Range Rover Velar. I like that casting. And we got into the very bottom, our last 3 cars. We've got the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata in the new red. And we've got a 83 Chevy Silverado. Wow, look at the paint job on that. Look at all the graphics and stuff. That is crazy. And last but definitely not least, we've got a brand new recolor of the Jaguar XJ220. This is quite an old casting, and it's nice to see it being recolored. It's a really cool car. All right, guys, no particular order. Case highlights. First one, we've got this 67 Camaro Treasure Hunt. Loving that new Treasure Hunt. We've got the Jaguar XESV Project 8. And after that, we have got the Ford Ranger Raptor, the brand new Porsche 911 GT3 RS, and we've got the new casting, the Mod Rod. I'm really liking that one. That looks neat. And the recolor of the Lamborghini Huracan. And last but definitely not least, the 68 Mercury Cougar. I don't know, I'm just really liking this one. I think it looks really cool. Like the wheels, like the livery on there. And the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata. All right, guys, let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite car from the 2019 Hot Wheels Q case. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.